Here is what futuristic glowing electronic puzzle cube reveals. Meet the Rubiks WOWCUBE, an interactive handheld console with 24 screens. It is a STEM certified powerhouse packing over 100 games and apps right into your hands. Next, the EXMARS Tok Cube brings artificial intelligence to the table. For $64, it helps you conquer 20 puzzles, tracks your brain power, and hosts global AI battles. For speedcubers, the WOWCUBE Edge Magnetic 3x3 connects via Bluetooth. The interactive app tracks your turns in real time, turning every practice session into a global competition. From screen-filled consoles to AI trainers, the future of play is here. Choose your smart cube today and unleash your ultimate mental performance. Look at the AI-powered EXMARS Tok Cube for $64. This smart cube lets you conquer over 20 puzzles, learn from an AI tutor, and compete globally through its free app. Ready for the ultimate challenge? The award-winning WOWCUBE Edge is a magnetic speed cube that connects via Bluetooth, unlocking intense real-time battles and interactive smart training directly on your screen. Whether you want to master the classic puzzle or jump into interactive smart gaming, these high-tech cubes are ready to boost your brain power. Pick your favorite and start playing today.